Today's topic is OOPS. OOPS stands for Object-Oriented Programming System. But what does it really mean and what it has to do with Python? OOPS is a programming paradigm where different components are modeled after real-world objects. OOPS introduces us to the concept of using objects and classes in our program. It is one of the popular approaches to solve a programming problem. The concept of OOPS covers topics: object, class, methods, data encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. We'll go through all of these topics one by one in the upcoming videos. We'll not only learn about them but also how to use and implement them in our code. You all might be using Instagram, one of the most popular social media platforms. There's a page named Tech in Seconds which covers Python topics by just using images. You'll find it really helpful, so please give it a try, and if you like it, please follow the page. The link is in the description below. Now let's take a look at the advantages of using OOPS. The first one is the code reusability. We can use our code instead of writing it over and over again, which not only saves our time and space, but also prevents us from going through all the hassle. Easy maintenance and modification of existing code is a part of OOPS. Also, it provides security to our code using data encapsulation. One of the major advantages of object-oriented programming is reusability. Using inheritance, we can create a general base class first and then later extend it to a more specialized class. And there's so much more. We'll learn more about this when we'll be going through all of these parts. Meet in the next video, class and object.